Hey guys! Today we're out in the wilderness and I'm gonna be showing you how to make pork loin roast out in the campfire.
It's quick and easy to cook, perfect for a camping trip.
This video is sponsored by the National Pork Board. So this pork loin has been marinating for almost 24 hours.
My marinade contains about a dozen cloves of garlic. Peel and chop. Into the bowl it goes. Swipe off the fresh oregano leaves and chop away. I used the whole packet because I love flavor. Now we repeat the process, but this time with thyme. Same deal with the rosemary. Swipe the leaves off. Be sure to chop finely and toss into the bowl. We add in a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, half cup of olive oil, and mix it all up. Let's put some more olive oil in. We want to coat the pork fully. So altogether about 3/4 cup of olive oil. After heating 2 tablespoons of butter, pour that in. You can use this marinade for tenderloin too. For lean cuts of pork, look for the words loin and chop, such as pork loin and sirloin chop. I line a loaf pan with aluminum foil to create a structure for the pork loin. We pour in a handful of marinade at the base and spread it around. Place the pork inside, add in the remaining marinade and let it cover all sides of the meat. Now we wrap the pork, sealing the foil to prevent leakage. Now if you run out of foil like me, no sweat. We'll give it a second wrap. This way it won't be as easily pierced while grilling and flipping. Let us admire the smoke, disappearing and reappearing as it dances with the rays of light.
We're gonna be cooking the pork until it is 145 degrees of the internal temperature.
Followed by a 3-minute rest. This temperature is recommended for pork whole muscle cuts, such as loin roast, pork chop, and tenderloin.
We're gonna use the iGrill, poke it, and then we'll check the temperature with this guy. And on the bottom, there are 4 holes, so you could poke it into 4 pieces of meat. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Because the pork loin roast is in the foil, it's a bit of a drama for me because I don't know what it looks like right now. And I'm like, oh, I hope it's not overcooked. I hope it's not burnt. Or I also hope it's not undercooked.
The thermometer will help us know when to take the pork off the grill.
Since our aim is to cook until the internal temperature is 145 degrees and let it rest for 3 minutes, I'm gonna flip this over at around 72 degrees. All right, 72. We're gonna flip the meat. I just gotta go like this. Woohoo! That was dramatic.
Oils are dripping out of the foil, making the fire more excited, thus making me more excited as well.
Temperature now is 77 degrees. That smells so good. All the herbs from that, I smell rosemary. We're at 85 degrees. You can install the app on your phone and then check the temperature while you're away from the grill. We're gonna get the vegetables ready.
While I was preparing the vegetables, the internal temperature went past 145 degrees. Let's take it off the grill ASAP.
Hopefully this is not overcooked and it's perfect. Smells good. Shall we give it a taste test? The foil looks nice and golden on some parts. I actually want to eat the foil. It looks appetizing. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that smells wonderful. When I bite into the slice of pork, you get some juice flowing out.
The fragrance of rosemary lingers in the air with each succulent bite. Depending on the seasoning, marinade, and different cuts, pork can take on a variety of flavor profiles. What do the critics have to say?
Savory. Delicious.
Is it juicy?
Juicy.
Tastes like garlic and sunshine.
Sunshine. Like your mother's smile?
Better.
Oh, I won't tell your mom.
All right, let's get the potatoes ready to pair with our pork. Pork is a nutrient-rich food. A 3-ounce serving of pork is a good source of potassium, riboflavin, and zinc, and is an excellent source of vitamin B6, thiamine, phosphorus, niacin, and protein.
Ooh, I think that's ready.
We're almost done eating the savory, delicious, juicy pork loin roast.
Thank you guys so much for joining me on the campfire cooking. The rest of this camping trip, we're gonna go tech-free digital detox. This video is sponsored by the National Pork Board.
For more pork cooking tips and recipe inspiration, go to www.pork.org/grilling. Toodles, my noodles.